I'm going to speed up the process 4 times, and we'll go through it real fast and cut all the audio and just add some music to it. And then on the last 6 minutes, we'll show you what's been done and completed in this video. Thanks. Thanks for watching Big Belly Rebuilds.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer for this? It was unbelievably painful.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, had part 1 yesterday, was part 2, and I didn't get that uploaded yet. Then we have part 3, which is today. So at this point I need to probably put a little bit more Freon or antifreeze in the radiator. So far I've put in 4 concentrated and 2 waters. I could have put up to 2 more gallons of water, but first so what I found wrong with that was the rubber bushing, and it's too bad I had to take all that apart to get to it, take the air compressor off, but anyway, so I put a new O-ring on the bottom of this. There's a metal ring underneath that nut. That nut is there so you can set it in any angle and then tighten it down in that angle, whatever direction you want that pipe to go. So that's what that nut's for. And then there's a ring under that, and then there's an O-ring. That O-ring was bad, and I wasn't able to get any new O-rings for the front of the pump. Hopefully it doesn't leak, from Caterpillar. By-Rite didn't have it either, but it was new the last time I put it in. Hopefully it doesn't leak. On this back here, the crack
that was on the epoxy from the third time that I repaired it. I discovered when I had cleaned it, I didn't do it a thorough cleaning like I normally would do, but I did grind it down and I put some epoxy on there, and then when I was putting it on there, I noticed it was running down. Gravity would pull it down, and so that explains to me what was going on with the last time I had put it on, because when I had put it on, I never had gone back to check it, and I guess gravity pulled it down, and when it pulled it down, even though it was there, it was just paper thin, and that would stand the reason why it cracked. So that I put 2 coats of epoxy there, made sure it was thick back there where the leak is between the backing plate and the block. Then I touched up, some places, cleaned up some hoses, got her cleaned up, put her back together. And I put antifreeze in the radiator, like I said, concentrated. I put 4 gallons, 2 gallons of water. I can go up to 2 more gallons of water. Put 2 new hoses on, this one and that one there. So that one and that, those 2 are new. I still got to finish repainting this, the other side of this. I painted this side of this steering column because it gets banged up working in and out of here. Plus I climb up on this thing. And so I did a little bit of touching up. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know, leave down below what you think of the touch-up work. Does it look better or not? Now for the ultimate. Let's see if all my work stopped it from leaking. If it'll start, that is. There where it was leaking. See if I got it started.